Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when someone gave you something that you really wanted. You should say what it was, when you received it, who gave it to you, and explain how you felt when the person gave it to you. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Gifts hold special meaning for everyone, and sending or receiving a present from someone allows us to communicate our feelings and appreciation for them. And today, I would like to speak about my new iPhone 16 handset which I received last year. So now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. I vividly remember that my parents gifted it to me on the occasion of my birthday, as I had been longing for it from quite some time. So longing means wanting. Additionally, I had hosted a party in a renowned nearby multi-cuisine restaurant and had invited all my friends and relatives for the grand event. So hosted a party means to give a party. Renowned means famous. Furthermore, most of the guests left after the cake cutting session and having dinner, and only a few close ones were there till the end who helped me in winding up all the stuff. So winding up means finishing up or wrapping up. Besides that, they insisted me to open all the presents in front of them, and when I was about to open my parents' gift box, my brother started cheering, which gave me a hint that it would be something extraordinary. So insisted means to force. Extraordinary means something unusual or unexpected. Finally, I felt over the moon to see the Apple iPhone, as I had been waiting for it due to its advanced features, including high-resolution camera as well as its extended battery life, and thanked my parents for the same. So we have used an idiom which is felt over the moon, which means to be very happy. Extended battery life means long battery life. Thank you for your time, everyone.